I'm going to show you guys how to bake your own bread at home using your food processor. You don't need to stress yourself on this. So if you're interested, keep watching. I have here with me yeast. Two of it contain 2 tablespoons of yeast. So I add it on my plate and then I went in with lukewarm water. And then I'll stir it, cover it to sit for about 5 minutes. Remember lukewarm water, not hot water, so that you no go spoil your yeast. So I just cover it and keep it aside. Then on my food processor, I added 2 cups of flour and then I went in with sugar, 5 tablespoons of sugar and then the yeast. I add it on the flour as well. And then I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. I cover it and then I mix it up with my food processor. See, with this our generation, you don't need to be stressing yourself mixing your dough with your hand, honestly. Food processor does the job for you easily. Like, you don't need to give yourself headache or sweat because you are mixing dough. So, and then I went in with 1 tablespoon of butter and then I'll cover it and then I'll mix it up again. With the way things are expensive in this our generation, honestly, it is good that you do some certain things for yourself. Like, so guys, once I'm done mixing it up, this is how it looks, as if I use my hand to do it. See how stretchy it is. So I'll just remove it from the food processor and then I put it on my bowl. So I first of all oil the bowl and then I'm going to rub the oil on my hands as well so that it'll be easy for me to remove the dough from the food processor. And then I'll put it in my bowl and then cover it to sit for about 45 minutes. You can allow it for 30 minutes, but because I was busy, I left it for 45 minutes. So I'm just going to cover it, allow it to sit for 45 minutes. So tell me, where are you watching this video? Let me know in the comment section so I can send you a hug on my next video. So after 45 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm just going to mix it up with my hand gently because the food processor has already done its job, guys. See how stretchy it is. Back those days when I use my hands to mix dough, I never get it this stretchy. But food processor makes the job easy for me. So I'm just going to share it into 2 and then I will knit it again nicely and then put it on my baking pan. It is that easy. Now, if you find this video helpful, help me to share it so that it get to other people that love to learn how to bake as well. So guys, I butter my pan and then I place it in the pan just like this, and then I'm going to cover it again to sit for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to use my brush, egg yolk, rub it on the dough, and then I'm going to be baking it in the oven. Guys, this platform is for learning. I am not a professional, so I love to teach and I want others to learn as well. Then I added water on the baking pan so that my dough will rise nicely. So I baked it for about 25 minutes. I set my oven 200 degree. Just take a look at it. It really came out nice and I was so impressed with the results. Oh my goodness. Now tell me, does it look like something you're going to be trying? With the way things are expensive in the market, don't you think it is nice to make yours in the comfort of your own home? See how soft it is, guys. So if you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one.